Our story begins billions of years ago in a time when the universe was still young and full of potential. Imagine a vast cloud of gas and dust stretching across the cosmos like a celestial canvas. This is the solar nebula, the birthplace of our solar system, where the seeds of planets and stars are sown. It's a chaotic place filled with the remnants of dead stars, a cosmic graveyard teeming with potential. Gravity, the architect of the universe, starts to pull everything together, orchestrating a cosmic dance. The nebula collapses in on itself, driven by the relentless force of gravity. As it shrinks, it spins faster and faster like a spinning top, gathering momentum with each rotation. At the center of this swirling cloud, the sun ignites, a beacon of light in the darkness. The immense heat and pressure fuse hydrogen atoms, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. A star is born, marking the dawn of a new era in our cosmic neighborhood. The sun's birth is just the beginning. Leftover gas and dust still swirl around the newborn star. These particles collide and stick together like tiny pieces of a cosmic puzzle. Over millions of years, these clumps grow larger. They become planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Gravity continues to draw them together, leading to even more collisions and growth. In the inner solar system, rocky planetesimals dominate. They crash into each other, merging and forming larger bodies. One of these growing bodies is our very own Earth, still in its infancy. The early Earth, or proto-Earth, is a hot, violent world, teeming with volcanic activity and a molten surface that is constantly shifting and changing. Constant bombardment from asteroids and comets generates intense heat, adding to the already fiery conditions on the young planet. The energy from these impacts, along with radioactive decay within the Earth, melts the planet's interior, creating a seething molten core. As the molten Earth churns, heavier elements like iron and nickel sink to the center, driven by gravity and the intense heat. This process forms the Earth's core, a dense metallic center that plays a crucial role in the planet's development. Meanwhile, lighter elements like silicon and oxygen rise to the surface, cooling and solidifying to form the mantle and crust. This process, called differentiation, shapes the Earth's layered structure, creating distinct layers that we recognize today. A cataclysmic event occurs early in Earth's history, dramatically altering its course. A Mars-sized object called Theia slams into the young planet with tremendous force. The impact throws debris into orbit around Earth, creating a ring of material that circles the planet. Over time, this debris eventually coalesces, forming our moon, a constant companion to Earth in its journey through space. Over time, the bombardment from space slows down. The relentless impacts that once shaped the young planet become less frequent, allowing the Earth to begin a new phase of its evolution. The Earth begins to cool. The intense heat from its formation starts to dissipate, and the surface temperature gradually drops. The molten surface solidifies, forming the first continents. These landmasses emerge from the cooling crust, creating the foundation for future landscapes. Volcanoes erupt, releasing gases from the Earth's interior. These eruptions are crucial as they contribute to the formation of the planet's early atmosphere. These gases, including water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other elements, are released into the atmosphere, and nitrogen forms the early atmosphere. This mixture of gases creates a protective layer around the planet. As Earth continues to cool, water vapor condenses and falls as rain, forming the oceans. These vast bodies of water become essential for the development of life. With the formation of continents, oceans, and an atmosphere, the stage is set for life. The planet now has the essential elements needed to support living organisms. The early Earth, once a fiery ball of rock, has transformed into a planet with the potential for something truly remarkable. This transformation marks the beginning of a new era where life can finally take root and flourish.